Hey guys, so welcome back to my channel Code with Dakshi. So in this video I want to tell you that what are lambda functions, okay, and how can we put them in the functions. Okay, so there is first example. First of all, the question is there, what is lambda? Okay, so for lambda it means that there are many arguments with only one expression. Okay, so if I talk about the example of lambda, okay, you can see that in this one we are having four lists: 8 7 5 6 2 4 3 2. Okay, there are four lists. Okay, and in this one I just want sort method. What is sort method? Like, sort method is giving you ascending order. Okay, so if I see here, my answer will be there like 3 2 2 4 5 6 8 7, because 2 is there, 4 is there, 6 is there, and 7 is there. So my answer it is. Okay, so but in this one, how to get this answer? Okay, in this question we are putting a lambda function, okay, by which we can get the answer like ascending order of my list. So what I am doing in this question, a dot sort. I know you are getting now what is sort method. When you are, yeah, like when you want ascending order, okay, so for that you have to use sort method, and inside that we are using key. What is key? I think you heard about key and values in dictionaries also. So in functions, what are keys? Okay, keys is an argument, okay, which are there in the functions. Okay, so with the help of my key, okay, I am using here lambda. I am just putting key equals to lambda, in which my x is there, colons x of 1. So guys, in this question, if you want ascending order, you have to write like this. And if I use here 0, you can see now my answer is changing: 2 4 3 2 5 6 8 7. If I use here 1, my answer is coming now 3 2 2 4 5 6 8 7. So guys, it's depends upon you. You want zeroth numbers and you want one number. If I use here 2, okay, nothing is coming. Okay, so in this one you can use only 0 and 1, nothing else. One thing is very important. Okay, for example, like if you don't understand this one, okay, so I am having another example also. For example, you are using here lambda, okay, x comma y, which you are putting here x minus y, because I just want here minus. So as I am doing here, okay, I am just using here plus. So def, okay, so I am using add x comma y. Okay, so in this one I just want here return x plus y. Okay, so I am using here print of what? Print of my add, which is my function. Okay, so whatever I am writing here, I have to put in this one also. Like in this one I am giving 3 comma 2 and it should be 5. The answer is coming 5. Yeah, so this is how you can do this question also. So in this question, like in lambda functions, I told you 2 examples. If you want to use here multiplication also, you can use that one also, guys. Like in this one only you have to do some changes, and in this, if I do this one, you can see that now the answer is 6, as 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. So I think you are getting this one now. So these about the lambda functions. At the end of my video, I hope you like this video. Okay, so please guys, like my video, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon. Okay, and so I think you like this video. Okay, so I will upload these type of videos also now. Please guys, tell me in comments like which type of videos you want. Okay, I will upload that one. So like thank you so much guys, and bye bye, take care.